How do you release the top of a Whirlpool Cabrio Platinum WTW8500BW0 washer to replace the hinge spring assembly?
Hello, the front is held down with two clips. The clips are about 4 inches in from each corner on the front where the top hits the front and the small crack. The easiest way to get the top off is to remove the 2 screws coming in from the back and lift the back of the top up slightly and push it forward, then reinstall the 2 screws so the lid can tilt back. That's what works the best for me. I work on the honor system here at JustAnswers. Thanks.
Are you sure we are on the same page? This is a WTW8500BW0. I don't see any clips 4 inches in, and I'm not seeing any accessible screws. Also don't see where the top hits the front in the small crack. Can you draw or show picture?
Yes, where number 2 hits number 5 the lock is number 8. On the back of the top it has 2 1/4 screws. Remove the screws, push the entire top forward enough to clear the lock, lift the top up over the lock, slide it back and put the 2 1/4 inch screws back in. Very sure it's the same model, I just worked on one this morning. http://www.searsppartsdirect.com/model part/WT18500BW0/1198/015320001534001.night. We work on the honor system here at JustAnswers. Thanks.
I can't see how to get to the screw for now. We'll have to call a tech in to replace hinge spring assembly. You were helpful at showing me it is more than I can handle. I'll give an excellent rating and have okayed payment. Thanks again. Tom.
You're most welcome. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.